Ayan guys, meron na naman tayong new release product. Ayan, meron siyang drabe sa top. Same like skirt and blouse, but this is one piece. Diretso po yan, one piece. Dress po yan. From top until down is one piece. But it looks like blouse and skirt. Because this one is open. Bukas po yan. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan po yung kanyang down. Fitted from the hips until and wider for the bottom with the meron siyang sharing na decoration, another materials. Ayan yung kanyang whole piece dress. Sleeve continuous ang kanyang gathered. Diretso until the back. The same cutting yung kanyang back and front. Ayan. At meron din siyang same decoration at the bottom. Ayan. One piece dress lang po yan. Para po siyang blouse and skirt. Ayan. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat sa panunood. Bye!